The cabin lights flicker, a gentle shudder runs through the fuselage. Most passengers don't notice, but in the cockpit, a soft alarm signals an engine sensor anomaly. At 35,000 feet, every flight is a delicate balance between human ingenuity and the immense forces of nature. The risks are real, but flying is the safest form of long-distance travel, thanks to a century of learning from every incident and near miss. Layers of safety protocols and technology form an invisible web, catching errors before they escalate. Pilots are supported by a global network, air traffic controllers, engineers, and advanced software all working together. The story of aviation safety is one of relentless improvement, written in engineering, data, and human factors. Dramatic incidents are rare. What's common are the countless problems solved before passengers ever know. That flickering light isn't a sign of danger. It's proof the system is working. Skilled professionals and technology manage issues before they become threats. This safety net lets millions fly with confidence, turning a risky endeavor into a routine experience. But complacency is the enemy. The sky's variables are infinite. As technology evolves, so must our approach to safety. The goal: anticipate failures, not just react, building systems that foresee trouble and keep the thin line between routine and disaster unbroken. This is the story of how we keep that line intact, flight after flight. Today's cockpit is a digital command center with real-time data streaming from thousands of sensors. Pilots monitor engine temperature, fuel flow, hydraulics, and more, updated every second on intuitive displays. This instant feedback is crucial, especially during takeoff and landing. When a system shows trouble, the flight computer flags the issue, displays checklists, and suggests solutions. No frantic manual search is required. Pilots can see which systems are affected and what backups are available, making quick, informed decisions. Real-time data isn't just for pilots. It's sent to maintenance teams on the ground who prepare for repairs before the plane even lands. This proactive approach minimizes delays and ensures small problems are fixed before they grow. The technology reduces pilot workload, turning ambiguity into clarity. By providing a comprehensive picture, these systems help crews manage issues long before they escalate. The digital co-pilot is a silent partner, monitoring and communicating constantly. It's a key reason why air travel keeps getting safer, year after year. In the cockpit, technology and human skill work hand in hand to keep us safe. The next leap in aviation safety is prevention, powered by artificial intelligence. AI analyzes data from millions of flights, finding patterns invisible to humans. It can predict failures, like identifying fuel pumps that wear out faster under certain conditions, and flag them for early replacement. Maintenance shifts from scheduled to predictive, improving safety and efficiency. AI also analyzes flight data to spot operational risks, like unstable landings in specific weather, so airlines can adjust training or procedures. The goal: a proactive safety ecosystem, with AI monitoring everything from aircraft health to weather and air traffic. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now, making disasters less likely. By harnessing AI, aviation moves closer to a future where risks are anticipated and avoided. Predictive technology is transforming safety from reactive to truly proactive. The future of flight is one where potential disasters are stopped before they start. When accidents happen, the black boxes, bright orange, not black, are the key to understanding why. Every commercial plane carries two: the flight data recorder, FDR, and cockpit voice recorder, CVR. The FDR logs thousands of parameters: speed, altitude, engine performance, creating a second-by-second timeline. The CVR captures cockpit conversations, alarms, and ambient sounds, revealing the human side of the story. Together, they let investigators reconstruct the final moments with precision. The goal isn't blame, but finding root causes to prevent future tragedies. Lessons from black box data lead to new regulations, better training, and safer designs. These silent witnesses ensure that every accident teaches us how to make the next flight safer. The black box speaks for the future, turning tragedy into progress. Each investigation strengthens the safety net for all who fly. Safety doesn't end at landing. Airports are complex, high-stakes environments. Every major airport has a detailed emergency plan, regularly tested and updated. When crisis strikes, a central command unites fire crews, police, medics, and airport staff for a coordinated response. Aircraft rescue and firefighting teams reach incidents in minutes, using specialized trucks and equipment. Air traffic control clears the area, operations staff manage runways, and medical teams set up triage. Communication teams keep the public informed, while airlines support passengers and families. Full-scale drills with hundreds of participants ensure everyone knows their role. Lessons from these exercises refine the plan, so real emergencies are met with practiced precision. This preparation turns chaos into order, saving lives and minimizing damage. At every airport, readiness is a daily commitment. The system is designed so that when disaster strikes, the response is swift and effective. After a crash, finding the wreckage, especially in remote areas, is a race against time. High-resolution satellites scan vast regions, comparing images to spot debris fields. Once a site is identified, drones fly low and slow, mapping the area in detail and capturing images for investigators. Drones use thermal cameras to locate survivors and assess hazards, even delivering supplies to inaccessible spots. This technology accelerates search and recovery, making operations safer and more efficient. The data helps reconstruct the accident and locate critical components like black boxes. What once took weeks now takes days, bringing answers and closure faster. Satellite and drone technology have revolutionized post-crash investigations. These eyes in the sky ensure that lessons are learned quickly, making future flights safer. Technology is turning tragedy into knowledge faster than ever before. Aviation disasters can devastate the environment as well as lives. Modern response plans now include eco-conscious strategies to contain and clean up hazardous materials. Firefighting foams are now fluorine-free, reducing long-term environmental harm. Teams use containment booms to stop fuel from spreading and conduct environmental assessments before heavy equipment arrives. Recovery plans minimize damage, using designated routes, low-impact vehicles, or helicopters to protect sensitive habitats. After recovery, thorough cleanup and replanting restore the site. The industry's duty is to protect both people and the planet. Sustainable disaster response is now a core part of aviation safety. By integrating green strategies, we ensure our response to tragedy is responsible and compassionate. The future of aviation safety is sustainable as well as secure. Technology is vital, but human skill and teamwork are the foundation of aviation safety. Pilots, controllers, engineers, and crew train rigorously and regularly, mastering both routine and emergency procedures. Full flight simulators let pilots practice handling any crisis, building muscle memory and resilience. Crew resource management, CRM, training focuses on communication and collaboration, preventing errors caused by miscommunication. Open dialogue and mutual support create a powerful safety net in the cockpit. The human element is the final layer of safety, interpreting data, making decisions, and taking action. Maintenance engineers and air traffic controllers use their expertise to spot and solve problems before they escalate. The synergy between skilled professionals and advanced technology keeps aviation safe. It's a partnership, human expertise guiding technological power, flight after flight. Safety is a team effort built on trust, training, and vigilance. Aviation's future is shaped by innovation and sustainability. We're building a global network where AI analyzes real-time data from every aircraft and airport, predicting risks before they arise. Flights will be rerouted to avoid turbulence, and components flagged for maintenance before failure. Sustainable fuels, electric and hydrogen aircraft, and efficient air traffic management will reduce aviation's environmental impact. New technologies demand new training, procedures, and emergency plans. Safety and sustainability must advance together. A green aircraft must also be the safest. This future requires global commitment, investment, and adaptability. The sky is our shared responsibility. Innovation and collaboration will keep it safe. By prioritizing both people and the planet, aviation will remain a force for connection and progress. The journey continues, safer, smarter, and more sustainable than ever.